All right, guys, we have a 2021 Toyota Supra coming into Gexhaust today. It's not your typical video. This one is basically a repair job. She came in, she said she hears a rattle. We're gonna figure out where that rattle is coming from and diagnose it and then try to fix that problem. Let's go over the car first before we go ahead and put it up on the lift. Right now we have a Scat Pack on the front lift and an Audi in the back. But let's focus right back on this Toyota. Toyota Supra is a beast of a car. If built correctly, you can get this car to almost 700 horsepower. I have a Supra, but I'm not really in the community that much. This Supra is sitting pretty clean with some BC forged wheels. Nice, nice. Lowered a little bit, Toyos in the back, and some, regulars in the front. She got the carbon fiber mirror caps, which is clean. She also has a carbon fiber steering wheel in there. I'll show you guys that later. Carbon fiber ducktail wing and a single exit by Vibrant. She put some money into this car, not gonna lie. Most likely has a downpipe and tune. If she's trying to make some power, I mean, she has some meaty tires in the back, so she probably does have a tune already. But this car is like really the perfect daily drive and race car all in one. So you can't go wrong with a Toyota Supra. It's reliable, it's fast, and it just looks amazing. Thing that a lot of people don't realize, but I do because I have a Supra, these fenders are probably the most cleanest fenders I've seen on a Supra. I want to put those on mine, but I just haven't gotten around to doing that. She also has a carbon fiber front lip. Doesn't have carbon fiber side skirts. Makes sense. I wouldn't get them either. Everybody's gonna try to step on them once you get in the car. But the car is pretty clean itself and has a black roof as well to kind of contrast with the all white. Detail that you can tell with these Supras. If you want to know if a Supra is a 3.0 or a 2.0, look at the calipers. If the calipers are red, that means it's a 3.0. If the calipers are not red and it's not a Brembo size in the front, then it's a 2.0. So we have the Supra up in the air. Vibrant catback system, 4-inch all the way through, even 4-inch flat pipe. And if you go all the way to the downpipe, this car already comes with a downpipe already and a bigger turbo as well. You can't really tell that much, but it's an upgraded turbo in there, and it looks like a catch can as well, and a wastegate dump right there. And then after the downpipe, flat 4-inch pipe all the way through. And then that's the problem. It's right there on the sway bar hanging, and this exhaust hanger is broken. And this exhaust hanger is completely bent. She's scraping the whole exhaust system every time she goes over speed bumps. So she's basically beating up the exhaust everywhere she goes, and the exhaust was poorly installed as well too. So we're gonna fix all that up, send her on her way. She should be sounding like a proper Supra. Supra is all done and ready to rock and roll. As you can hear, no more rattle. Sounds clean. You hear that turbo. This thing has a few things done to it already. Gio, pop the hood. I'm not trying to put her on blast like that, but she does have an upgraded turbo, or I think that might be the stock turbo, just catch can. She also has a turbo timer as well, charge pipe, air intake. she's pushing some power. She's pushing some power. So what do you guys think? Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think about this Supra, and don't forget we have a shop in Davie, Florida, and in Oakland Park, Florida. Reach out if you have any questions, and if you want your Supra sounding right and moving good, pull up to Gexhaust. We'll take care of you guys.